What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside of Goodwill. It's getting a little late, but you know, it doesn't look too packed. I mean, there's a good amount of people here. Let's head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's go! This is kind of cool. $14 for Betrayal House on the Hill. It's used because the packaging's all ripped. Oh, wow, it's really destroyed. Darn. Alright, we had one game that was heavily destroyed. Let's check out the media real quick. Got some Barbie with slipcovers. Never seen that one or this one before. This one's really interesting. Maybe I'll look into both of those. Oh, another. Okay, so these are cool because I've never seen these releases anyways, and I see Barbie movies all the time also. Brand new sealed Outlander Season 1 Volume 2. I hate whenever I find the volumes. They're usually worth less. Hey, I actually found some PlayStation 4 games. They're $5 each though. Nothing special, but I am noticing all the DVDs, their prices used to be $2, like how you can see right there. Blue is new, and it looks like they're all $1, so the prices come down. Now, the only caveat to that is Blu-rays used to be $2 to $3, and now they're $4. So we have different prices. Also, video games used to be $3, and now they're $5. Box set right here, $7. That's pretty expensive, but you never know. We might find some cool stuff here. Alright, we actually did find some things, but before we go over everything, let's take a quick look down the electronics aisle. I haven't found anything really good down here in a long time, so who knows if we'll find it. Hey, a ripstick! $20 though, holy moly. Now, I've said this before in other videos, if you see white tags at Goodwills, especially ones in Connecticut, it means it's Target stuff that didn't sell or got returned to a Target. You can see right here it says salvage, so it's salvage stuff from Target. Goodwill buys it by the pallet from them and then sells it in the store. They try to do about 50% off of retail, and that's retail if it's brand new, so you can tell this has been used, so we'll leave that behind. So I decided to leave the electronics section. It was getting kind of packed with people and I couldn't really move around in there, so let's take a quick look at the vintage media, right? The VHS wall. Sometimes there's cool stuff over here. Now, it's not guaranteed. Let's see if anything stands out to us. I just saw this over on DVD over there, Scrooge. But, oh, Jackie Brown. It's kind of cool. I think they're releasing that on 4K next year. So I'm just doing a quick look here, and I'm pretty sure everything over here has been here for a little while now. This is kind of cool. Motocross Wipeout. Moto Video. Just a bunch of motocross crashes. That's just too cool. This is coming home with me. This is my little section right here. I'm getting Viva La Bam. I found the first Lake Placid. I was talking about this in the last time I was here. I got Lake Placid 2, and now I'm getting Lake Placid 1 for $1. So that's cool. And Wipeout. And then let me just go over this stuff that I got real quick to resell. We got a brand new sealed CD right here. This is actually for me, this Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2. It's $5. It sells on Amazon for about $12, so not enough to make any money on it, but enough for me to keep it. Then this stuff is to resell. Saturday Night Live can do pretty well sometimes. Then we have a few brand new sealed movies here, all at $1 each. This guy right here, Castle Rock, complete first season for $1, so hey, I'll take that. Sealed. And I found Outlander Volume 1 and Volume 2. So we have the complete Season 1 for $2. That's not a bad deal. We'll take that. I'm actually noticing back there we have a Nintendo Wii Rock Band drum set. Those can be pretty good. Let's actually take a quick look. See what the price is at. $15. $15 isn't horrible, but I'm pretty sure this needs... Oh, it doesn't need a dongle because it's wired, but there is some gross stuff all over there. I don't know. Alright, enough of that stuff. Let's take another look over here. We have Emo Saves Christmas. That's kind of cool. It's a shame because Christmas just ended, so, you know, the stuff is kind of jacked up in price right now, but that's only because it was just selling. So I could have made a little VHS Christmas lot. We have Wiggles, Elmo, and the Grinch. And it would have been $3. I probably could have sold all this for like $15 shipped over on eBay, but the odds of that selling right now are a little low, so we're going to leave those. So I got a little tip for you guys, because this happens way more often than you would normally think. Going through the books over here, I found a big box PC game, and this has got to be the 20th, 30th time that this has happened to me. I see this all the time. This is Microsoft Train Simulator, cool big box, but One issue, well, it's only $4, which isn't bad, and also yellow is half off, so it's only $2. But the issue is the game's not in here. It's just a bunch of paperwork, so I'm gonna leave it behind. But I find big box PC stuff in with the books all the time. It's a shame this one didn't have the game in it, because it's worth a little bit, but I'm gonna leave that behind. Okay, this is really funny. This snowboard right here, Millennium 3 Talon 160, I believe, with Solomon bindings, not bad. This is my snowboard. This is the exact snowboard I use. This one has a few marks on it. I don't know if those are cracks or anything. I think they're just like some marks. I'm sure this would clean up really nicely. Now, I've been using this exact snowboard, same design. I'll show you guys when we get back to the house. I've been using this snowboard for at least 10 years now, and it's held up beautifully. So, oh, this one has like a big lump right there, which is a shame. That's sticking out. It's $20. Otherwise, I'd buy this for myself to have a replacement board, but that's kind of weird. It's like a big bump in the bottom. So we're gonna leave this behind, but I mean, even these bindings are worth a decent amount. Solomon bindings, that's a pretty good brand. That's just so funny that my exact snowboard is here. I bought it 10 years ago. All right, now this is interesting. We have a basketball hoop here. It is brand new, box is damaged. It's a 44-inch, and take a look at this, $50. It's one of the beginner ones. Oh, it's just a backboard? Oh, that's kind of a crazy price. $50 for just a backboard? It says backboard and rim combo. It doesn't even have the stand. If I had like the whole setup, I might buy it and try and sell it locally, but just the backboard, that seems expensive. I don't know. I'm leaving it. So like I was saying earlier about the white tags with Target clearance, all of this is furniture, all from Target. You'll see Target's brand right here, Threshold. So $36, which means that this probably sold for like, what, $72? Is that half price? $36. These are Christmas trees right here for $37.50. So it's just a whole bunch of random stuff. And, you know, there's usually not any money to be made in that category, but it's good if you need furniture for yourself, for your house on a discount. Hey, Goodwill's a good place to look. Here we go, guys. This is pretty cool. Every once in a while, I'll find a Wilton cake pan that is worth a little bit. We're gonna look this up together. This is a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Wilton cake pan. You'll see right down here. It's from 1989, I believe. And where's the numbers? There it is, 2105-3075. That's how we're gonna look it up on Amazon. Let's see if it's worth anything. All right, so we have it pulled up on Amazon. Let's take a look here. Has a kind of a high rank, not horrible, not great. Selling for $17.75. You'll make $11.45. I've noticed Wilton cake pans have come down in value a lot. I feel like something like this used to sell for $30, $40 pretty easily. They want $3 for it. To spend $3 on this to only make $11, you know, so you're making $10, $9, $8. I'd have to clean it all up, probably wash it in the sink. It's a little bent up, not too bad. This is something I'd leave behind. It'd have to be selling for at least, you know, $20, $30 for it to be worth the effort. Also, when you ship these into Amazon, you got to be careful because they could get dinged around a lot. You can see a few dents in there already, which isn't horrible, but especially in Amazon's warehouse, they could get a little messed up. All right, I found something kind of interesting here. I have heard of this brand before, CeraVe, and I know that it's an expensive brand. Well, I see $6.99 on a bunch of different mineral sunscreens. There's a lot of them here. Well, I scanned it in, and take a look at that. Has a great rank, seems to be selling really fast, selling for $26.78. We'll pull this up and take a look at my fees, $19. Now, if I spend $7 each, we're still making 12 bucks, and they should sell quick. We got 12, 24, 36, 48, probably about $150 worth, and there's a couple up here. So I'm gonna grab all of these for sure. All right, guys, so one thing I want to mention, you know how it's white like Target tags, and I was just saying that that stuff's usually not worth it. This is a rare case where it is. It doesn't usually work out like this. Each one of these stacks is $100. So we have $100, $200, $300, $450. No, a little less. So probably like $420 worth of profit here. That's after fees and after what I pay for them, which is pretty crazy. Now, I'm sure not all of you know this, but sunscreen actually expires. So I checked the expiration date on the bottom, And most of these, this one expires in December of 2022, so that's good. We have at least a year on those, and a bunch of these are 2023, March of 23. So these are all good. They're all gonna sell well before the expiration date with probably a year left on them. So pretty cool, pretty great find right here. I mean, that's almost $500 right there, plus all this stuff. We're looking at least $600 in profit today. So far, we're not done. I want to try and find more of these CeraVes. Hopefully we can find some. Is this one right here? No. This was a Cetaphil. I'm noticing all these are empty, so man, maybe if I could speak to the manager, see if they have any more in the back, that could be cool. I'm gonna see if I can. So I am desperately looking for more of those CeraVe sunscreens in here. Sometimes they're mixed into these aisles back here, but all I'm finding is a bunch of different hand sanitizers and sanitizing wipes, which are at every thrift store because they overproduce them. Here's some more wipes right here. $1.50 on those right there. Up top here, it looks like, oh, more cleaning wipes. $3 on those. Okay, those will stay behind. Now, it is after Christmas, like I was saying, but this is a full nativity scene here. There's baby Jesus, but you can see Walmart price of $14.96 on their brand new. $10 is what they're charging here. You know, but this could be vintage and it could still be worth a little bit of money. I doubt it, though. You know, we're gonna still look it up on eBay. So I typed in the brand plus 11-piece nativity set here, and if we take a look, you could see 13, 17, 27 with the whole manger, 10. So, I mean, it's definitely not worth anything, so we'll leave that behind. I was just kind of curious. So we are back at the house, and here is the snowboard. It is the exact same one. I have different bindings on there and a lot of stickers on there, but it could have been nice to have two of them, along with my backup board right there. I got a whole bunch of different boards here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions at all. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School, signing out. See ya.